Choose your player. Select your character.
Select your character. Gaika.
What?
Gaika. Fucking, there's something along them lines. It's from a movie. It's oh wait, it's from Rush Hour, one of the Rush Hours.
Oh yeah.
He's like, as soon as you guys see Godzilla, you people be like, Gaika. He's like, what you talking about? Your people remain calm in whatever situation.
Yeah, that's funny.
I think that's what brought it up.
Gosh. You freaking jerk. Come here.
Boom, boom. Bitch, damn it.
I bet all you can hear is my freaking random button pressing. Actually, it's not random, it's freaking planned, but oh, you jerk. Ah!
Get it.
Screw you! No! Wait! That was really weird how that played out.
Yeah, it was.
I actually was gonna try to hit you, but that was like 2 different combos in one that I just did instead of one button.
Damn.
That was very weird.
No.
No.
Take it out.
Get out of there! No! Oh, you jerk. Whoa, how did I freaking do that? Come here, you jerk. God. Freaking gang rape you with my
damn.
shadow clones.
Just right. That was evil looking, wasn't it? In the shadow.
Oh, hell